Hey my YouTube family, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you guys how I got this really pretty color. To begin, I am taking a big plastic bowl. This is a wig that has already been pre-made. So make sure that you have a bowl large enough where you can submerge the hair into the bleach powder, the bleach mixture, So first I am using the L'Oreal Quick Blue Powder. I am taking about 6 scoops of that. You want to make sure that you're using enough product because we want this process to be really easy and really quick. And we don't want to have to stop and mix up more product. So just make sure that you use enough for the amount of hair that you're coloring. So I used about 6 scoops of that, and then I took my 40 volume developer, and I don't really measure the developer. I just pour it until it gets to like a runny consistency, not super runny, because you still have to add your shampoo in it, but you don't want it really thick. So you don't want it thick like the consistency if you were bleaching your knots. You want it to be thinner because you still want it to be able to go onto the hair easily. So I just kept adding the developer until the consistency was how I wanted it to be. Then you're gonna go in and add your shampoo. I am adding clarifying shampoo. This is by Swab. I purchased this at the Dollar Tree. It doesn't have to be any expensive shampoo. You really just want to put the shampoo in there to make this mixture even more runny and easier to apply and get onto the unit. So I go ahead and add my shampoo, and then once it's to the consistency that I want it to be, then I just go ahead and submerge my wig into this mixture. Make sure that when you submerge the wig that you are opening up the hair, getting this product on there evenly so that you won't have any dark spots. This was my result after about 15 minutes. This nice light caramel brown color. So then I took it to the bowl and I rinsed it really well. And you're gonna shampoo it also. I didn't add any conditioner because I'm gonna go back in This is my base color. I'm going to go back in and do some highlights on this unit. So I just rinsed it, shampooed it really well, and then I placed it in the hair dryer so that it could dry. And then I proceeded with my highlights. Now I'm going to mix my 40 volume developer with my L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach. Again, this time I'm going to make it not as runny as it was before. I'm going to make it a thicker consistency because I'm going to be painting this onto the hair for the highlights. Now I'm going to be on my highlights. I usually part the hair off in 3 sections, 2 on the side and the largest section in the back. I'm going to slice, and then I'm going to weave through and make 5 sections evenly. The top 3 sections is the hair that I'm going to put the bleach on, and then I'm going to leave the other 2 this natural color. When you're painting your bleach on, make sure that you are working the bleach through the hair. Make sure you are touching all of the strands. Make sure that you are getting all of the hair saturated in bleach so that you don't have any dark spots on your highlighted strands. Once you put the hair on the ends, you are also going to make sure you're putting the ends into the aluminum foil to make sure that you don't have any cool ends. You want the ends to process it just as evenly as the top. So I also go in and comb the product through to make sure that it's evenly distributed. And I do this on both sides, and then I also do the back. When I did these highlights, I did do 4 foils on each side. So I did 4 layers of highlights on each side of this middle part, and then in the back, I believe I did 3. But once you do your highlighted section, then you go under this, you part off some hair because you want that hair to still remain dark. And then you clip that hair away. Then you're gonna slice another part to weave through to add your next section of highlights. And you just continue to do that throughout the head. This is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with more. Take care, stay safe, and see you guys next time.